Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll explain how to delete items from Google Collections in a simple and clear way so you can easily manage your saved content. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google app on your phone and check that you are signed in to the correct Google account. Step 2. Tap the activity option from the menu at the bottom of the screen. This section shows your recent actions and saved data connected to your Google account. Step 3. Scroll down within the activity section and tap on Collections. Here you will find all your saved items organized into different groups and categories. Step 4. Tap the collection that contains the item you want to delete. Opening the collection lets you view all the saved content inside it. Step 5. Find the item you want to remove and tap the three-dot menu next to it. This menu gives you additional options for managing that specific item. Step 6. Tap Remove or Delete from the menu. This action instantly deletes the item from your Google collection and keeps your saved content organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful tutorials.